Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to give a feedback in the Blobby application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you're in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see 3 lines. Press on it. And here in this page you can just scroll all the way down and you will find there the last option, which is give feedback. And you can see this message appearing to you and you can just press on open email, and you can see the address that you are going to send the feedback to. You can write in here the subject, and down below you can just write in about your feedback in detail. And once that is done, you can just look at the top of your right corner and you will see there an arrow symbol pointing upwards. You can just press that and afterwards your feedback will be sent. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.